Hey there, fashion lovers and eco warriors. Imagine opening your wardrobe every morning to find everything you love and can mix and match effortlessly. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's the magic of a capsule wardrobe, and today I am spilling all the secrets on how to choose a perfect color palette for yours. Stay with me till the end, and I promise you will feel inspired to revamp your wardrobe with sustainability and style in mind. We all know the fashion industry is a big contributor to environmental damage. But what if I told you that by simplifying your wardrobe with thoughtful color choices, you could reduce waste and look effortlessly stylish? It's not just about owning less, it's about owning better. For those who are new to the concept, a capsule wardrobe is a small curated collection of clothes you love and wear regularly. The goal? To mix and match pieces to create endless outfit possibilities while embracing a more sustainable lifestyle. A capsule wardrobe is not just a fashion choice, it's a mindset. And the key to making it work? Your color palette. Begin with base colors. These are your neutrals that go with everything. Think black, white, beige, navy, or grey. These colors make up to 60% of your wardrobe because they are timeless and versatile. Next, choose 2 to 3 accent colors. These are the pops of color that reflect your personality and style. It could be soft pastels or bold jewel tones. Choose hues that flatter your skin tone and make you feel confident. Don't forget prints and textures. Avoid monotony by adding prints, patterns, and textured fabrics. Just remember the prints should complement your base and accent colors to keep everything cohesive. Your skin tone can guide your choices. Warm undertones, go for earthy shades like olive, mustard, or coral. Cool undertones, try blues, purples, or emerald green. Neutral undertones, lucky you. You can pull off almost anything. It's tempting to buy everything in your favorite colors. But remember, the goal of a capsule wardrobe is to own fewer clothes. Stick to what you truly need and love. At the end of the day, your capsule wardrobe should reflect your unique style and values. By choosing the right colors, you will feel confident every day while contributing to a more sustainable planet. And if you are feeling overwhelmed, I'm here to help. I offer personalized wardrobe consultations to help you create a capsule wardrobe you will love. Head to my website for all the details, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite color to wear. Link to my website is in the description box. Thanks for watching, friends. Remember, less is more when it comes to your wardrobe and your impact on the planet. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll share easy DIY ideas to upcycle your old clothes. See you next time. Bye.